Hello again and welcome back.
Oh, sorry, let me get out of the way.
Just got Wandas.
Poorly welled.
Poorly well. Wanda's not very well, so although she's in this video,
Yeah,
she's not technically
kind of.
in the video.
No, it was accidentally.
And plus, she's not going to try these anyway.
No.
They've been over to Tesco's. It says new. I don't think they're new. But they've been re-released.
I've not seen them before, to be honest with you.
But I think I had a quick look and Chris did them a couple of years back. But they sparked my interest for Bird's Eye. You want to have it? Bird's Eye, and they are from the chicken shop, hot and fiery breast chunks. So yeah, not cheap. £4. £4 for that. It's a bit much, isn't it? But yeah, pick them up, and there's some buttermilk ones for when Wanda feels a bit better. She got a horrible cold going around, and she's fucking full of it. Who doesn't love a chicken takeaway? Real takeaway taste. With our chicken shop range, you can now get the great taste of takeaway chicken at home. We've even taken succulent chunks of 100% chicken breast and added a seriously tasty, hot and fiery coating. A winner. Chicken dinner. So, yeah. Hot and fiery. Do like hot and spicy food. We're quite interested to see what they're like. In the bag. There's quite a few in there, to be fair, for £4. Oven's on, I think it takes about 20 minutes. 18 to 20 minutes. 200 degrees centigrade. Gas mark. On the 6. So, get in the oven.
They look like KFC stuff.
They look quite nice, don't they?
Yeah.
To be fair.
I just wish I like hot and spicy food, but I just don't like the feeling.
Dumped.
You get quite a bit for your £4.
Yeah. So,
I
chuck
suppose
them in.
it's the same as going to
1, 2,
KFC,
3,
yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. About 14 bits of chicken. So,
Don't look like that.
too bad. Yeah, I'm counting the little bits as well, to be fair.
Oh.
So I'll chuck them in the oven. About 20 minutes. We'll be back. Right, they're cooked, and left them to cool down just for about 5 minutes. And that's what they look like. So there's a nice colour to them. And you can see they've got like spicy coating. But they do look nice. Wanda made a point. For £4, there ain't a fucking lot there. It looked like when they came out, they looked quite a lot, but £4, no. Anyway, what about the taste? Chicken's nice. It's called hot and fiery. Chicken's really tender, really nice. The covering's quite nice on them as well. Hot and fiery. No, they're not hot and fiery. There's no heat to them at all. Tiniest bit of spice, but when you're calling your things hot and fiery, I expect a bit of heat. I am going through them. They are very nice, but they're not hot and fiery. And they're certainly not worth £4. Would I buy them again? No, I wouldn't. There was a bit of tingle in that one, but still. Disappointing. That bird's eye, hot and fiery, chicken chop, breast chunks. Rubbish.